In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close all tabs in Chrome. If you tend to work with a lot of tabs open, knowing the fastest way to close everything can save you time and help you quickly reset your browser. I'll walk you through a few simple methods depending on whether you want to close the entire Chrome window, keep the window open, or quit Chrome completely. The fastest way to close all tabs in the current Chrome window is by using a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl Shift and W at the same time. On a Mac, press Command Shift and W. As soon as you use that shortcut, Chrome will close the current window along with all tabs inside it. This is the quickest option when you're done with that browser window and want everything in it gone at once. If you want to close all tabs but keep the Chrome window open, there's a slightly different approach. Start by right-clicking on any tab at the top of the browser. In the menu that appears, choose Close Other Tabs. That will remove every tab except the one you clicked on. After that, manually close the final remaining tab. This method is useful if you want to clear out your browsing session without immediately shutting down the whole Chrome window first. Another option is to quit Chrome completely. On Windows, press Alt and F4 together. On a Mac, press Command and Q. This closes the entire Chrome application, not just one window. If you have multiple Chrome windows open, this is the best choice when you want to exit the browser entirely in one move. As a quick tip, before using any of these methods, make sure you don't have anything important open that you still need, especially forms, documents, or pages with unsaved work. Closing tabs or quitting the browser can be fast, but it also means you could lose something you meant to keep. So to recap, use Ctrl, Shift, and W on Windows or Command, Shift, and W on Mac to close all tabs in the current window. Use the right-click method if you want to keep the window open while removing the tabs. And use Alt and F4 on Windows or Command and Q on Mac if you want to quit Chrome completely. That's all it takes to close all tabs in Chrome quickly and efficiently.